So not too long ago, I received the Solana Seeker, or the new Solana phone, and yeah, I guess like it's always interesting to reflect, especially because the phone has taken, I don't know, I think like it feels like a year now to arrive, or even longer, like a year and a half to arrive. And back then, I was very deep into crypto, and I was trading Solana meme coins, and there was the book of memes and all that sort of stuff, all those shit coins going from 0 to like 1 billion. And yeah, like since then, I've quit my job in digital marketing, working as an account manager at a Melbourne-based agency in Australia. And yeah, I took a little bit of time off and started my own business. But yeah, I guess it's a little bit interesting that I sort of had all this attention and focus on making money quickly, and now I'm trying to build my business a little bit more slowly. But yeah, let me quickly see if I can find this Solana and show you guys. And I've just got my cat Neo here, chilling like a villain. Hey, buddy. So yeah, he's just chilling there, and I'll actually see if I can show you guys. So I've got the box for it here. But yeah, I'll just I'll pop downstairs and see if I can grab the phone, and I'll just quickly show you guys the phone itself. I started downloading some apps this morning and setting it up, and there's a few like decentralized apps and steps where I think you collect points and whatever. And I've set up my fingerprint and Solana Seeker unique ID, or whatever they call it. But here it is. Oh, just got to point it down. Let's see if I can go. Yeah, that's better. So logged into my phone. There we got Oreo, some Solana, some NFTs from before. But yeah, here's the phone here, and you've got dApps, going to the store. You've got a few different apps across DeFi trading, games, DPIN, web browsers, AI agents and stuff. I don't know what that's about, but yeah, and then we've got a few different things here. And yeah, I'm going to give some of these a bit of a test, but first impression, the phone is, the screen's bright, I think it's got good batteries, camera's pretty average. I'm used to an iPhone, so this is different. But the main feature is this thing here, the Seeker Vault, Seed Vault, which is like a hardware wallet sort of thing, I guess, in a sense that you use the fingerprint here, and then they'll verify and natively use the wallet that's on the phone, and they'll act as a two-factor authentication, which is pretty cool because it means that you can do that without like PIN codes and stuff. It's just your fingerprint. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Yeah, so one thing I find kind of interesting is there was a time where I was just like sort of sitting there, and I'd be on Twitter for hours scrolling and just trying to find like what's trending, and even had a paid group where I was just like following coins and airdrops and all that sort of stuff. And I'd spend hours on this stuff, and I realized that yeah, I was sort of just looking for trends and hype and how much it consumed me. But yeah, I'm still a little bit invested, but it's so small now that I'm not really thinking about the day-to-day stuff. And well, actually, maybe I am a little bit more now, but I've got, yeah, maybe like 5% of my money in crypto, so nothing like before. And it still interests me, but I'm not worried about like the massive swings, and it allows me to, this has been intentional, so I can focus on trying to get a few more clients for Step Digital, an agency that I'm trying to get off the ground, which basically does it runs ads for Australian e-com businesses across Meta and Google Ads. And another way I'm generating some revenue is like creating websites for people. So just looking at brands that are ideally e-com based and on Shopify, but also working with businesses that are local, trying to help them generate leads. So not turning down that work, but I do want to specialize in e-com eventually. So that's what. Yeah, so this is, I guess, a little bit of a tangent. I haven't really done vlogs before, so if this is boring, I apologize. But yeah, I guess like one thing that I'm going to say is like, yeah, I'm still going to be participating in crypto. I don't think that's going to go away, but I just won't be as heavily invested. I'm more focused on my business, but I do think there's a lot to, learn from crypto. It made me realize like things like being an early adopter and trying new things and actually getting your hands dirty and not assuming the worst or just automatically defaulting to I'm not going to do this. But yeah, I do value having a bit of balance too, like focusing on trying to grow something that's like sustainable, like through this business. And yeah, we'll see how things go. But yeah, this is the end of the first vlog. I'll catch you guys on the next one.